Question. What does CPU stands for? A. Central Process Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Computer Processing Unit. D. Control Processing Unit. Answer is option B. Central Processing Unit. Question. Which one is an input device? A. Monitor. B. Keyboard. C. Speaker. D. Printer. Answer is option B. Keyboard. Question. 1 byte is equal to A. 4 bits. B. 16 bits. C. 8 bits. D. 2 bits. Correct answer is option C. 8 bits. Question. Which language is low-level language? A. Java. B. Python. C. Assembly. D. C++. Answer is option C. Assembly language. Question. Which is the brain of computer? A. RAM. B. CPU. C. Hard disk. D. GPU. Answer is option B. CPU. Question. What does RAM stands for? A. Read access memory. B. Random access memory. C. Rapid access memory. D. Run accept memory. Answer is option B. Random access memory. Question. Which storage is volatile? A. Hard disk. B. SSD. C. RAM. D. DVD. Answer is option C. RAM. Question. Linux is A. Programming language. B. Operating system. C. Game. D. Browser. Correct answer is option B. Operating system. Question. Who invented the computer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Bill Gates. C. Alan Turing. D. Dennis Ritchie. Answer is option A. Charles Babbage. Question. Which is not an operating system? A. Windows. B. Android. C. MS Word. D. Linux. Answer is option C. MS Word. Question. Binary number system use bases. A. 8 bases. B. 10 bases. C. 2 bases. D. 16 bases. Correct answer is option C. 2 bases. Question. Which protocol is used for the web? A. FTP. B. HTTP. C. SMTP. D. SSH. Answer is option B. HTTP. Question. The smallest unit of data is A. Byte. B. Bit. C. Nibble. D. Word. Answer is option B. Bit. Question. GUI stands for A. General User Interface. B. Graphical User Interface. C. Global User Interaction. D. Graphic Utility Interface. Answer is option B. Graphical User Interface. Question. Which is not a programming language? A. Java. B. Python. C. HTML. D. Windows. Answer is option D. Windows. Question. What does ALU do? A. Stores data. B. Perform calculation. C. Display output. D. Controls memory. Answer is option B. Performs calculation. Question. Which device show output? A. Scanner. B. Speaker. C. Keyboard. D. Webcam. Answer is option B. Speaker. Question. ROM stands for A. Volatile. B. Temporary. C. Permanent. D. Fast memory. Answer is option C. Permanent. Question. Which one is a system software? A. Photoshop. B. MS Word. C. Windows. D. VLC player. Answer is option C. Windows. Question. A computer virus is A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Person. D. Cable. Answer is option B. Software. Question. Which is used for searching? A. Chrome. B. Google. C. Yahoo. D. All of these. Answer is option D. All of these. Question. ASCII is used for A. Graphics. B. Text encoding. C. Networking. D. Sound. Answer is option B. Text encoding. Question. Which one is an output device? A. Mouse. B. Touchpad. C. Monitor. D. Pen drive. Answer is option C. Monitor. Question. Machine language is written in 0 and 1 form. B. English form. C. Symbols. D. C++. Answer is option A. 0 and 1 form. Question. Which memory is fastest? A. Hard disk. B. RAM. C. Cache. D. Pen drive. Answer is option C. Cache. Question. A compiler converts A. Source code to object code. B. Binary to decimal. C. Text to audio. D. Images to data. Answer is option A. Source code to object code. Question. URL stands for A. Unified Resource Link. B. Universal Routing Locator. C. Uniform Resource Locator. D. Uniform Resource Link. Answer is option C. Uniform Resource Locator. Question. Which is an example of application software? A. Android. B. BIOS. C. MS Excel. D. Unix. Answer is option C. MS Excel. Question. The shortcut of copy is Ctrl X. B. Ctrl V. C. Ctrl C. D. Ctrl B. Answer is option C. Ctrl C. Question. Which is not a type of network? A. LAN. B. MAN. C. WAN. D. PAN. Answer is option D. PAN. Question. TCP stands for A. Transfer Control Protocol. B. Transmission Control Protocol. C. Transfer Communication Program. D. Transmission Computer Protocol. Answer is option B. Transmission Control Protocol. Question. Which database language is used to query data? A. HTML. B. SQL. C. Python. D. CSS. Answer is option B. SQL. Question. Which one is a loop structure? A. Int. B. While. C. Float. D. Character. Answer is option B. while. Question. Which sorting method is fastest in general researching? A. Bubble sort. B. Merge sort. C. Selection sort. D. Linear sort. Answer is option B. Merge sort. Question. Which is not a type of software testing? A. Unit testing. B. Integration. C. Installation. D. System. Answer is option C. Question. Which port is used for email? A. 80. B. 443. C. 25. D. 22. Answer is C. 25. Question. VPN provides A. Speed. B. Security. C. Gaming. D. Storage. Answer is option B. Security. Question. Which one stores data permanently? A. Cache memory. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Register memory. Answer is option B. ROM. Read-only memory. Question. Python was developed by A. James Gosling. B. Guido van Rossum. C. Dennis Ritchie. D. Ken Thompson. Answer is option B. Guido van Rossum. Question. Which tag is used for heading in HTML? A. P. B. H1. C. Title. D. Head. Answer is option B. H1. Question. Which network device joins two networks? A. Switch. B. Repeater. C. Router. D. Hub. Answer is option C. Router. Question. Which is a relational database? A. MongoDB. B. MySQL. D. Firebase. D. Redis. Correct option is option B. MySQL. Question. Which number system uses base 16? A. Decimal. B. Binary. C. Octal. D. Hexadecimal. Answer is option D. Hexadecimal. Question. SSD stands for A. Solid state drive. B. Super storage disk. C. System storage drive. D. Solid speed disk. Answer is option A. Solid state drive. Question. Which is not a malware? A. Trojan. B. Worm. C. Antivirus. D. Spyware. Correct option is option C. Antivirus. Question. Which is a valid file extension for an image? A. .exe. B. .png. C. .txt. D. PPT. Correct option is option B. .png. Question. CPU is divided into A. HDD plus SSD. B. ALU plus CU. B. RAM plus ROM. D. USB plus HDMI. Correct option is option B. ALU plus CPU. Question. Java is a dash language. A. Low level. B. High level. C. Machine code. D. Binary code. Correct option is option B. High level language. Question. The command to show directory in the Linux operating system is given. A. Is. B. dir. C. cd. D. mkdir. Correct option is option A. is. Question. firewall is used for A. Speed, B. Security, C. Gaming, D. Display. Correct option is option B. Security.